What was that noise? Oh, it was my imagination, and by the way, let's watch the news. I am going to do this.
Come with me right now. I cannot believe you would do a bad thing like this, destroying the emergency alert system. This is so important. People need emergency alert system. It goes off to let us all know there's an emergency, or a bad weather such as a tornado, flash flood, and more.
Can you please make the emergency alert system more quieter? It is making my ears bleed.
I know it is too loud for you, but it is the law that the emergency alert systems need to be loud. Now, get out!
How dare you destroy the emergency alert system? That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. Go to your room. Wah!